Kyle, Shannon from Haul Cut Equipment. I just went to, I'm replacing a actuator on a tailgate of a truck or tipper. There's the boss supervising the show. So that's the actuator we're talking about, pneumatic. Obviously pulled it out, and that's a new one. So I fitted a new one, it goes the wrong way. I guess it normally closes. So I want to know that it fits up there. Right. So this guy here, this is the original piston. Piston seals actually molded on. Can't do much about that. And also, I think it's a Festo. That's your main supply. And that's there, your pilot. So basically, yeah, this little seal popped off. To be honest, for the price of chasing it up, it was worth just replacing and getting a new one. So what I'll do is just 2 secs and I'll get this off. So I've changed this around already. Sorry, this is John. Stuff I'll do it one hand. So basically all we need to do is just change the direction of the spool where it's naturally going to sit, and there's no pilot pressure going through it. So obviously when supply pressure is going to here without any pilot pressure, we want this fella open just like that. So before it was closing, I guess I'll call it normally closed, and when there's pilot pressure it opened. But anyway, this is what we do. There you go. Awesome. So let's undo these dudes. Don't forget to mark it. There's 2 screws on the other end here. So carefully take it off. There we go, cool. So the spring basically allows it to sit at normally, I guess with no pilot pressure, that's where it's going to sit. So just carefully push her out. So obviously O-rings, don't wreck them. Just be nice and gentle. Pull it out, be careful not to bend the spool. You know, more than likely is steel in these. So basically you can just put that on the other way, push her in the center. Spring centers on here. And then put the, I guess the servo on the opposite side. Now just keep in mind that you got that hole here, and obviously yours may be different, but you just align it up to the mating hole on that side. So there it is, guys. Hopefully that was helpful. Cheers.